This is Thomas Scholes, and welcome to the third episode of InfiniteSketch. The concept of InfiniteSketch is to compress the fundamentals of a method into an efficient time frame. 30 minutes to listen and learn, and the rest of your day to put it into practice. In this episode, we will be remixing and recycling the Episode 2 modules created from our quick kit in Episode 1. Up to this point, we've used an additive and sequential method, combining pieces one by one to build something larger. This episode, we're going to use a multiplicative method, combining our modules together with different layer modes to rapidly explore and create new combinations. Episodes 1 and 2 aren't required to understand the content in this video, but it will help, and I think you'll enjoy the methods previously covered. In this episode, I'll go over some of the fundamentals again for anyone who hasn't already seen them, and to reinforce the information for those that have. A longer format version and fully layered PSDs are included so that you can slow down and see every detail. If you need to take a closer look at the longer format, just match the time and date in the bottom right to make things easy. I've also included a link to the Q&A section of my Discord server. Once there, feel free to ask me any questions you might have about the video, and I'll be happy to help. If you'd like one-on-one help with learning this method or anything else I know about art, you can sign up for once a month 1-hour sessions on my Patreon and once a week sessions on my Gumroad. I've used this remix method and kits in general for weapon design, character design, landscapes, prop design, logo design, and especially architecture, really just about every subject a concept artist encounters. Again, it's a great way to create rapid and unique results by harnessing your instincts and taste, and best of all, it's incredibly fun. Okay, let's jump in.